Welcome to today's news. Cochin Shipyard Limited (CSL), Government of India invites online application from young professionals for filling up the posts of executive trainees in mechanical, electrical, electronics, naval architecture, civil, information technology, human resource and finance department. The posting of executive trainees shall be at CSL Kochi, CMSRU Mumbai, CKSRU Calcutta, CANSRU and N Islands. Online registration of application begins on 6 December 2024 and ends on 6 January 2024.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.